Hello friends, and then welcome back. In our previous video we looked at measures, and then in this brand new video we are going to focus our attention on implicit and explicit measures. It's going to be a very short video, and then so without wasting much time, let's talk about implicit measures. Implicit measures are created when you drag a raw numerical field into the values pane of a visualization and then manually selecting the aggregation. What do we mean? So looking at AWE sales, they're looking at the table, other quantities, a numerical field. It's absolutely a numerical field. It has no string or any other data type, just numerical. And then here we have the other quantity, which is a numerical field being dragged into the values as stated by Microsoft Power BI, or as I said earlier on, dragging a numerical field into values section creates a measure for you, and then manually change the aggregation. So to change the aggregation, you can just click here, and then we go to average, and here we are seeing the average per product being ordered, with reference to the product key. So that's how we create implicit measures. So as and when we will be dragging numerical fields into the values of any visualization, we are creating implicit measures. So talking about explicit measures, they are created by using DAX formulas, and then there's a wide range of DAX formulas that you can use from Microsoft Power BI documentation. And then to create a measure, we can just go to new measure, and then we have the formula bar just like in Excel to create a new measure. But the downside of this is that using this option is that when you click on the new measure, it puts the created measure in a different table where you don't want it. So to create a measure in a table that you want, you just go to the table and then click, then you go to new measure, and then you have the formula bar to input your new measure. So in this measure, you're going to create a new measure called quantity sold, and then it's equal to, give a bit of space, it's equal to, so we're going to sum the entire order quantity for the AWE sales. So just like Excel, we use the sum function. Sum, what are we going to sum? So we're going to sum the order quantity. And then Power BI has a feature called the intelligence. Once you start to type a string that falls within that data table, it's able to reference to you similar columns that fall in that string category. So you realize that as I typed ORD, we have order date, order line item, order quantity, and then order type, and therefore we want order quantity. So click on it, and then we are good to go. Right, so to test our measure, we just have to select the measure and drag it all the way to the values field. And now we have the quantity sold as we did earlier on, and the first column has changed because the aggregation is at average. Should we change it to sum, we will get the same values. And in this very short video, I wanted to discuss with you implicit and explicit measures. We have a long way to go, and we'll be discussing more. And then I just wanted to let you know that using DAX, you have the world of Power BI at your fingertips. You can do a whole lot of things the way you want it, and to make your work look very nice. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.